Have you ever walked through a hardware store and admired the industrial-style furniture on display? A simple pipe shelf, a rustic coffee table, a modern wall rack, a designer lamp with black steel fittings and natural wood. The price tag often comes as a surprise. Sometimes $200, sometimes $500, sometimes well over $1,000. Yet when you look closely, the materials themselves seem incredibly ordinary. A few metal pipes, some wooden boards, a handful of fittings. So why do these pieces command such high prices? The answer isn't hidden in expensive materials. It's hidden in thoughtful design. Welcome back, creative minds. Today at Decor Ideas, whether you love woodworking or chic home decor, this project will inspire you. Stick around, grab your tools, and let's build something unique and beautiful together. You won't want to miss this. Today's modern industrial decor isn't about using luxurious resources. It's about combining ordinary materials in extraordinary ways. And few combinations work better than reclaimed wood and salvaged water pipes. Old plumbing pipes that once carried water through a building. Weathered boards rescued from forgotten pallets, fences, or demolished furniture. Materials many people would never look at twice. Yet with creativity, careful craftsmanship, and a little patience, they can become beautiful home decor and profitable handmade crafts that customers proudly display in their homes. That's exactly what we're exploring today. Not simply how to build decorative pieces, but how to transform overlooked materials into products that feel modern, timeless, and valuable. Because sustainable craftsmanship isn't about making things that look recycled. It's about making things so beautiful that nobody guesses they were ever discarded. Let's begin. The first thing that attracts people to industrial-style decor is honesty. Nothing tries to pretend to be something else. Steel looks like steel. Wood looks like wood. Every material proudly reveals its natural character. The grain remains visible. The metal retains its texture. Even small imperfections become part of the overall design. This authenticity explains why industrial interiors have remained popular for so many years. Unlike short-lived decorating trends, honest materials rarely become outdated. They simply age gracefully. And reclaimed materials often possess more personality than brand new ones. An old pipe carries subtle marks from decades of service. A reclaimed timber board displays grain patterns shaped by time and weather. These characteristics cannot be manufactured. They develop naturally. When thoughtfully combined, they create warmth and visual depth. That combination forms the foundation of modern industrial craftsmanship. Before building anything, however, every successful project begins with observation. Imagine walking through a salvage yard. Most visitors see piles of disconnected objects, old plumbing, discarded timber, rusty fittings, bent brackets. An experienced maker sees something entirely different. Potential. A pipe becomes a shelf support. A flange becomes a decorative base. An elbow fitting becomes part of a sculptural lamp. A reclaimed oak board becomes a floating shelf. The workshop starts long before construction. It begins with imagination. That's perhaps the greatest skill any craftsperson can develop. Not learning how to cut wood. Learning how to recognize opportunity. As materials arrive in the workshop, preparation becomes essential. Reclaimed wood deserves careful attention. Old nails must be removed. Surfaces should be cleaned. Loose fibers need stabilization. The goal isn't removing every sign of age. The goal is preserving character while ensuring durability. This balance separates professional work from amateur projects. Too much restoration removes personality. Too little preparation reduces quality. The best craftsmen know exactly where that balance exists. The same principle applies to salvaged pipes. Some people love heavy rust. Others prefer polished metal. Neither choice is automatically correct. It depends on the design. Modern minimalist projects often benefit from cleaner finishes. Rustic industrial pieces sometimes celebrate weathered surfaces. Understanding the intended style guides every decision that follows. This thoughtful approach transforms random materials into intentional design. One fascinating quality of reclaimed water pipes is their geometry. Straight lines, perfect circles, precise angles. Combined with natural wood grain, These shapes create beautiful visual contrast. Nature meets engineering. Organic warmth meets industrial precision. Thine naturally appreciates this relationship. That's one reason pipe furniture remains consistently popular. Its simplicity feels balanced. Not overly decorative. Not overly plain. Just enough detail to create interest. As sketches begin evolving into actual projects, proportion becomes increasingly important. A beautiful shelf isn't successful because it uses reclaimed material. It's successful because every dimension feels intentional. The thickness of the wood complements the diameter of the pipe. The spacing creates rhythm. The overall composition feels balanced. Luxury rarely comes from complexity. It usually comes from proportion. Professional designers understand this principle deeply. They spend enormous effort refining simple forms. Because when proportions feel right, everything else becomes easier. This same philosophy applies beautifully to handmade crafts. Whether you're building a wall shelf, a towel rack, a wine holder, or a decorative lamp, thoughtful proportions dramatically improve the final result. Customers may never consciously recognize why they like the piece, but they'll feel it immediately. Good design communicates without explanation. As construction begins, another important lesson appears. Precision matters. Pipes naturally encourage straight lines and clean geometry. Any measurement errors quickly become noticeable. Fortunately, working slowly allows accuracy to improve. Each connection receives attention. Each fitting aligns carefully. Each wooden component fits confidently. This slower pace may seem unusual in today's fast-moving world, but quality rarely benefits from rushing. The workshop rewards patience. Every extra moment spent refining details pays dividends later. Handmade craftsmanship becomes visible through consistency. Straight edges, smooth surfaces, secure connections, thoughtful finishing. These qualities separate heirloom pieces from disposable products. As pipe assemblies come together, another opportunity emerges. Functionality. The best home decor doesn't simply occupy space. It improves everyday life. A shelf organizes books. A rack stores towels. A plant stand displays greenery. A lamp creates atmosphere. A coat rack reduces clutter. Beauty becomes even more meaningful when paired with usefulness. That's one reason handcrafted home decor continues growing in popularity. People appreciate objects that contribute both visually and practically. This dual purpose also creates stronger products for selling. Customers don't merely purchase decoration. They purchase solutions. Are you enjoying this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Decor Ideas for more decor and woodworking inspiration. Share this video with someone who loves woodworking. Let's create and decorate together. As wood joins metal, the project begins revealing its personality. Warm grain softens industrial steel. Cool metal sharpens natural timber. The contrast creates visual harmony. Even small projects begin looking surprisingly sophisticated. And that's the remarkable quality of reclaimed materials. They already possess texture. They already possess history. The design simply organizes those characteristics into something beautiful. Another valuable lesson soon becomes obvious. Imperfections aren't always problems. A small knot in the wood, subtle discoloration, gentle signs of weathering. These details often become the most memorable features. Mass-produced furniture frequently attempts complete uniformity. Handmade work celebrates individuality. Every project becomes unique. Every piece tells a different story. Customers increasingly value this authenticity. They're surrounded by identical factory-made products. Handcrafted objects offer something different. Originality, personality, connection. These qualities cannot be mass-produced. One exciting aspect of combining pipes and reclaimed wood is scalability. The same construction techniques support both small decorative items and larger furniture. A simple pipe candle holder teaches the same design principles as a large bookshelf. A compact wall organizer introduces the same craftsmanship required for a media console. Skills naturally build upon one another. Confidence grows gradually. Projects become increasingly ambitious. Objects created intentionally rather than manufactured endlessly. Every reclaimed board contributes to another chapter. Every salvaged pipe avoids unnecessary waste. Every handmade project extends the life of valuable resources. Environmental responsibility quietly becomes part of the product's identity, without sacrificing beauty, without sacrificing quality, without sacrificing function. Perhaps that's the greatest misconception about sustainable design. Many assume environmentally responsible products require compromise. Good craftsmanship proves otherwise. Thoughtful design often produces objects that outperform mass-produced alternatives. They're stronger, more meaningful, more memorable, more personal, and ultimately more valuable. As this project reaches completion, one final truth becomes clear. Creative craftsmanship isn't limited by materials. It's expanded by them. A rusty pipe isn't an obstacle. It's inspiration. A weathered timber offcut isn't leftover waste. It's future furniture. The workshop teaches us to see differently, to recognize beauty before it becomes obvious, to appreciate character before refinement, to celebrate creativity before consumption. And once you begin seeing the world through that perspective, ordinary objects become extraordinary opportunities. Every salvage yard becomes a design showroom. Every offcut becomes possibility. Every forgotten material becomes the beginning of something remarkable. Because beautiful home decor isn't born from expensive shopping trips. It's born from imagination. It's shaped by patience. It's refined through craftsmanship. And it's completed by the simple belief that even the most ordinary materials deserve a second chance to become something extraordinary. That's the true beauty of reclaimed wood and salvage water pipes. They remind us that value isn't created by price. It's created by purpose. And with thoughtful design, careful hands, and a creative mind, yesterday's discarded materials can become tomorrow's most admired handmade creations, beautiful enough to decorate a home, durable enough to last for years, and unique enough to stand apart in a world full of ordinary furniture. That's all for today's Decor Ideas episode. I hope you're feeling inspired to create something amazing. Subscribe and stay connected for more woodworking and decor projects. Until next time, keep creating.